going to finish off this page and then we'll go to the next thing. So I'm going to take this flat top, and clear, and then clear, and then, oh, I see it. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here like that. Then I'm going to take this and put it on the top. And then I'm going to put this facing like that because this piece is going to go right like that. Perfect. And I'll do it again. Like this. Just these little details on the building are so cool, you know. So I'll put this like this. Whoop. Try that again. There we go. And then what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to do it like this. And then this is going to go right like there. And voila. Alright. Please subscribe and like if you like my videos again. And, you know, leave some comments if you think I'm doing this a little bit weird. But I kind of like these details on these types of builds. I'll see you in the next build. In the next video. Alright, like up and 94 back. We're going to keep building this thing. I'm going to add some stuff to it. So I'm going to put this here. And then this here. Like that. Okay. And then this one here. Okay. Put this here. And I need this here, which you have to be very careful just to line these up and then get them to pop in like that. Perfect. Okay. Do the same thing here. Place, right, and this is going to go. Okay. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Like that. Now I'm going to put this one here. Remember, you want to support this so you don't press too hard and do like I did in one of my other videos where I brought down the house. Okay, so that's like that. And as you can see, pretty steady. I'm gonna try to keep this center. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this spider right here, like that. So I can point in that direction. Like that. Now we're going to take this part, we're going to put it I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm going to put it as close to this window as possible because it's leaning on this ledge. Actually, oh wait, okay. So it's going to be on this ledge way up here. Got it. Sorry, I'm getting my hand in the way. I just want you guys to see how cool this is going to look. Just like that. Okay, so you see where the spider is. It's right there on the wall, and its web is right there, just like that. Kind of cool. All right, I'm going to keep going because I've got some time here. Okay, so I only have 2 of these, but that's okay. I'm all wanted to make this back here solid. then put this here. I need one of these long ones, like this, and this one like that, this one like that, like this, one like this, and one like that. This one will go here, and don't worry, I'll get the corner pieces for these two, but it's awesome to see how sturdy that is now. As you can tell, it's a lot sturdier than it was. It's really wobbly, but once you start putting the stuff on top, it becomes really, really unsafe and sturdy. So, all right, on to the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and like if you really like my